Get it, Lily!
Paperboy isn't interested in lunch. Maybe he'd rather have dinner.
I think you're cheating. Maddie, go push it back a little bit more. No, push it back so she has to get it. There, right there.
Mommy, is there
Yes.
outside?
Lily, get it!
Very nicely, thank you. I was just going to ask the new Paperboy.
Lily, get it! You're not gonna get anywhere by swimming on your belly. Here she goes! I think you're cheating. Lily, princess! Get it! You're so close! Yay! Lily!